Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the text font and style for your text boxes in your apps on Lovable AI. So let us guide you through it. Head over to your app project and after that enable the visual edits in the bottom left corner, or use the shortcut Alt S for that, and select the given text box. I will go with this title here. So now guys, you can highlight the text and change its color, or text color here to the left, the background color, and if you scroll down to the typography, you may also change the font size, the font style, and the font weight. So go through this and select, let me go for example with a different text color. Or custom, you can go with custom color. Save your changes. Refresh your app if needed, or the page. And there you go. That's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.